562rent.com.
Oh no!
I know.
Welcome to 360 West Ocean Boulevard, Long Beach, California, 90802. This is a listing for a 1-bed, 1.5-bath condo on the 6th floor of the Sovereign building. Approximate square footage for the entire unit is about 981 square feet. You want to take a casual walk through the building and the apartment, same as you would if you came by to take a look. Currently looking at your main closet area. Unit comes with a lot of storage. Looking into the hallway leading into the living room. To your right would be your main bathroom. Your bathroom has been newly remodeled. Comes with a jacuzzi tub and shower. And a touchless flush toilet. Gorgeous stonework in the bathroom. You also have oval vault ceilings in the bathroom as well. A closer look at your touchless flush toilet system and your oval vault ceilings. Heading into the hallway, looking into your main dressing area, which leads into your bedroom. And to your right leads further into your living room. And we're going to take a look into your half bathroom, which has a urinal and a sink. The unit is on the 6th floor, gets a lot of sunlight, has views of the ocean, views of the Queen Mary, views of the Pike, and you also have a balcony to your right that you can use for barbecues. Gorgeous wood floors throughout the entire unit. You have vault ceilings throughout the entire unit as well. A look into your living room. The unit is also pre-wired for surround sound. Also has recessed lighting throughout the unit. Your main living room area is about roughly 30 by 14. Peek into your bedroom. A look at your vault ceilings and your speaker for your surround sound, and also the recessed lighting. A look at your view from the unit, looking at the Queen Mary. And back into your living room. You have ceiling fans in both the living room and also the bedroom. And heading into your bedroom, looking at the ceiling fan in your bedroom, vault ceilings in your bedroom. To your right will be your bedroom closet. And paths that leads into the dressing area that we saw earlier. Unit does come with a lot of storage space. This leads us into the main bathroom. Next to that would be a half bathroom with the urinal, and back into your living room. To your right leads into the kitchen, which is stainless steel appliances throughout, a gas cooker, stainless steel refrigerator. Tenant will only be responsible for electricity. Owner pays for gas and heating the unit. Another look into the kitchen from the other angle. And back into your living room. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath on the 6th floor at 360 West Ocean Boulevard. Walking through the laundry room, which has 3 washers and 3 dryers, and the lounge area on the 12th floor, which is next to the laundry room. So you could be doing your laundry and relaxing right next door, reading a book. Has some exercise equipment. Has some books for you to read. And an app machine to work on your 6-pack. This is not in the unit. This is on the 12th floor of the building. This is next to the laundry room. And this leads to the solarium, which has views of the ocean, the Queen Mary, the Pike, and downtown. Great space to entertain guests, have functions, have meetings. And you're also able to go outside on the balcony itself and on the main roof deck. And have a 360 view of the entire city from the building. Also has a piano in that area as well, actually. So views of the ocean. Please note, we do not show properties without you having your paperwork with you. Go on our website, 562rent.com, see the download section, download the rental application, fill it out, bring it with your copy of ID and pay stubs to the viewing. Once again, we do not show properties without you having your paperwork with you.